In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch clock time format between 12-hour and 24-hour formats on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, tap at General, and that's where we can easily find date and time. At the very top, we can easily find the option which is called 20-hour time. It is now active. And then if we want to switch our time format to 12 hours, all we have to do is just turn it off and it will immediately apply the changes. As you can see now, time is displayed here in 12-hour formats. However, we can easily switch it back to 24 hours by turning it back on. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.